G'day, GT here with another little update on my project Bombodore, my 1979 VB V8 sedan. Okay, about 3 weeks ago we got the engine running in this old car. It's a 4.2 litre 4-speed, which is the main reason why I saved it from my mate's backpack. Since then, haven't done much work on the actual car, but I have been working on some of the components. The rear axle's been a way to get rear wheel bearings installed, say that when you've had a couple of beers. And I've been working on a few other bits and pieces to get this car back on the road. This car is actually a factory 4-wheel disc brake vehicle. The rear axle was missing when I bought it off my mate. However, I did manage to track down a second-hand one. I've replaced the rear wheel bearings. I've got a mate that runs a workshop to do that. New axle seals. I've sent the brake discs away to get machined, so they're going to be tip-top. I'm fitting new brake lines, of course. The hard lines on the differential, I've had replacements made up and I'm installing those pretty much as we speak. And I've also refinished the underside of the car in a factory-type stone guard paint. Something else I've been working on is getting all the jewellery ready to go back on the car. Tail lights, exterior trim bits, etc. Look, these tail lights are not real good, but they're kind of perfect for the rest of the car. I found these I think I bought these off 2 different people off eBay. They're street legal, but they're not the best, so I wouldn't use them on a full-on, 100-point restoration. Same with the headlights. The headlights are, they're in pretty good condition. I've actually disassembled them and I've cleaned them out, made sure there's no dust and muck in there. The lenses are in good shape, the reflectors are in pretty good shape, but once again, they're not the best headlights. I wouldn't use these on a full-on, VB Commodore restoration, but they'll be perfect for this. Petrol tank. The one that was in this car when I bought it was rusty, it was destroyed. So I got this good second-hand one from the wreckers. There's not many of these out there these days, but I managed to find one. It's had a bit of a repair in the past, but I'm quite happy with that. A little bit of surface rust, I've cleaned it up. I've painted the edges with cold gal paint to make sure it's not going to rust again. The fuel lines, I was worried about the fuel lines on this car being rusty. They were covered in mud underneath the car. I've taken them off, I've cleaned them up. They're actually in good condition, so they're ready to go back under the car. Ooh! Something else I've been doing is working towards a fresh interior in this car. The original interior, green, was after 20 years in the Aussie sun, was just about destroyed. So I've managed to find a good set of second-hand door cards and armrests. The actual door backing cards were all mangled. I've managed to recard the door trims, and I'll be showing you how to do that next time. I'll see you then. Cheers.